Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Kemari Reaction. How are you guys doing today? Hi. So I'm back today, guys, with another reaction video to the group RBD, and this is part 3 to their live show in Rio. I want to say thank you so much to what's his name? Was it Damon? Was it Damon who gave me that translation? Was it you, sir, Damon? DAMONSV. Thank you so much for that translation. I really do appreciate it. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I also want to say thanks to Mayflower Child, boy or girl, whoever you are, I see you. Amanda is the same thing. Few names I see a lot. I see Ralph a lot. Maria Victoria, I see her a lot. Shirley J, I'm seeing her a lot too. Carol Duran, I'm seeing that one too. And I also want to say thank you so much, Cecilia. I really do appreciate that. And oh, Adrian to Quezada. I hope I'm saying the name right. Don't. But Ralph, sir, the disrespect to Anna High to end it like that had me screaming. So this is part 3 to her performance from part 2. Okay. Oh my god, I love it. Come on, girl. I live for the live instruments. Oh, the other 2 female singers from the group is backing her up. Okay. Oh, the back vocals, her voice is the dominant one. Oh my god, look at that. Oh, this is sexy ass, man. Aina. Oh, they better sell the story.
Cámaras. 1,
2, 3. Oh, okay. They better sell this story. I'm surprised Disney didn't pick this up or Disney do something. Well, never mind. I don't grow up watching Disney, so don't listen to me. Don't have no time for no fairy tale or all that bull. No. I'm trying to understand the fashion sense. It's so survivor-ish. I'm trying to. My baby daddy, my man, Chris. Hey. No, I really do need to watch this show. Ooh. Ooh. They're really selling the part. I love this. The riskiness that they tend to show. This is cool. Isn't she an actress? Isn't she? I could have sworn I think I seen her in something before. You guys know I love this. I live for this live band.
Essas desses sentimentos com tristeza vou, mas você não consegue entender o que sua falta me causou.
I think I seen her before.
Sé que no hay nada que perder, pensando en ti, hasta que no me dejes ir. Quiero tenerte, contigo quiero estar, amar sin parar. Tenerte, no quiero vivir sin tu amor jamás, pues nada es tan fuerte como tenerte, amarte ya nunca más. Atada este sentimiento con tristeza voy tratando de hacerte comprender.
I really do like black hair face. She has such a gorgeous face to me. Okay. Give that rhyme wall. Okay. I'm here for this. I'm here for this. Well, one thing for sure, we could say they're singing live, thank God. The reason why I'm so happy that they're singing live, because I do know some people, they tend to have backing track, which is very understandable, but they do sing, but they sing alive. I love it. Because someone tried to drag me the other day on Twitter talking about, oh my God, everyone lip sync. No, not everyone lip syncs. You have some of them lip sync to their backing track, but you do have some of them who do sing, and they have backing track under them, especially when they do heavy dancing. This group don't really do too much heavy dancing, but they tend to sing vocally live all the time. So thank God, because make no sense. I buy your CD, I listen to your music on Apple iTunes, Spotify, SoundCloud, Tidal, and then to watch you perform live and just to listen to your CD playing in the background, well, it makes sense because I'm all about live performance. I really do. I enjoy live performance. That's how you get me, because anyone sound good in the studio, but when it comes to performing, that's the reason why most of the artists nowadays, I don't tend to rush to my TV screen to watch them because I want to be bored. But you know, yeah.
Contigo quiero estar, amar sin parar, tenerte. No quiero vivir sin tu amor jamás. Tenerte. Contigo quiero estar, amar sin parar, tenerte.
Who's over there with the tambourine? He's cute.
No quiero vivir sin tu amor jamás. Pues nada es tan fuerte.
It's so fun when I be doing my reaction videos. I be looking at everybody. Who looks who look who. I'm looking at everybody. Okay, Anne. Oh, they're real sweaty. Do they have fans on the stage? Hey, don't. We will rock you, hey. We will rock you, hey. We will rock you. We will rock you. We will rock you. Okay, take us back with a sample. Hopefully Damon could give me another translation.
Un aplauso fuerte. En los teclados, Eddie.
Okay, Eddie. Oh, he drinks too much. Eddie's the one who's the party over there. Okay. We will rock you. Hey.
Quiero que le den un fuerte aplauso para Caná desde la Ciudad de México. En una de las guitarras a Gonzalo.
Okay. So I'm assuming he's from Mexico, so Mexico. Oh, giving all the shout out to the band members. Okay, I'm here for it. Oh, I wish I could learn how to play instruments like that. I wish, because I used to play instrument when I first came into America, into the US. I was like 9 years old, and I used to know how to play the flute, the clarinet, and then in high school I learned to play the piano for like 4 years. Oh, now you ask me to play any of those, I don't even know what key is different from what key. I don't know, like the key numbers, like A, B, C, D, and stuff like that. I don't know. I teached myself, and then I went to piano class for a little bit. But I teached myself how to play the piano based the sound to the keys. I didn't know the keys anything because I had to label the keys on there with like a Sharpie. But I was basically learning to play the piano based off the sound of what I'm hearing. But I don't know what happened. Life.
De ese lado tenemos a un prodigio. Desde su infancia ha sido destacado en la guitarra.
I want that guitar guy. I want him. Is that Chris? That is Chris.
De la
Yes, come on, drummer. Come on, drummer. Come on, drummer. I think he's been killing it all night. We will rock you. We will rock you. Hey. We will rock you. Oh, he's gorgeous. Boom, dun, 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 dun. We will rock you. We will rock you. We will rock you. Yes. Come on, Rio. Yes. Dun, dun, dun. We will rock you. We will rock you. We will rock you. Hey, yes. We will rock you. Oh, I need to go listen to that song when I'm done. Hey. Good job, guys. That was such a good job. That was such a good job. Perfect. Boom. That was such a good job. I'm trying to remember. Dulce is a redhead one. I think her name. I'm gonna call her M. I'm gonna call her Jet Black, the black hair one. Then you have Christian. Then you have Chris. Then you have Alfonso. I would take them both. Those two right here, I would take them both. You know. I believe sharing is caring. To all my ones who are 18 years or older, everybody else, they're very good artists.
El primero, Rizzo, un aplauso.
I would never tell her to do anything that's very wrong to do.
Otro aplauso. Y el tercer baterista, con ustedes, Christopher.
Oh my god, a boy after my own heart. Oh, college indeed. Woo. Everyone should go to college at least 2 years, preferably somewhere outside of your city, somewhere far away. Because I have met some Brazilians, some Venezuelans from Venezuela, some Colombians, some Mexicans, and some Cubans. Good times. Rio, Rio. Chris, I am gagging. Oh my god, my heart is racing. Chris. Oh my god, imagine this. Yes. I think her name is Dulce. Dulce.
Eu só quero dizer a vocês.
The red hair really do look good on her.
Difícil. Que sintam que já não podem mais. Não, eu
Damon, you could give me a translation.
estejam seguros que ainda que as coisas pareçam muito complicadas, não deixem que frustrem seus sonhos. E não percam nunca a esperança. Y acuérdense que cuando la noche se ve más oscura es porque allá va a salir el sol. Muito obrigada, Brasil, pelo seu amor e por gostarem da nossa música.
Oh, I love it. I can feel all the love. I love it. Oh, we're getting another slow ballad. Okay. Oh, two. Okay, Dulce giving us a slow ballad. Okay.
Nadie puede pisotear tu libertad. Grita fuerte por si te
Oh.
nada puede detenerte si tú tienes
Oh, I'm so dramatic.
con tu nombre escrito en la pared, Si censuran tus ideas, ten valor. No te rindas nunca, siempre alza la voz. Lucha fuerte y sin medida, no dejes de creer.
I also want to clap for the sound engineer, the sound engineer, the sound check, because all this moving and stuff they're doing, I know you could barely hear the breathing. You could hear the different, the little in their breath when they're singing live, shows you that they're singing live. But who's a sound engineer behind the scene, it does such a good job, because these are some good ass mic. These some good ass mic.
No te quedes con tu nombre.
I need to see if that's not my coworker, because he looks like, you know what, he looks like my coworker. I'm sending him right now, like, hey, go watch this video. I was like, that guitar player looks just like you, sir.
Pares nunca de soñar, no pares nunca de soñar, no tengas
Oh, okay, they feeling it.
a volar. Vive tu vida.
Yes, I'm here for it. Here for it.
No construyas muros en tu corazón. Lo que hagas siempre, hazlo por amor. Con las alas contra el viento, no hay nada que perder.
Oh, okay, sir.
No te quedes
He's feeling it.
tu nombre escrito en la pared. No, no,
No,
no pares, no pares nunca de soñar.
no,
Pares,
no,
pares,
no,
pares nunca de soñar.
no.
Miedo a volar. Vive tu vida. Si censuran tus ideas, ten valor. No te rindas nunca, siempre alza la voz. No pares,
No, no.
ustedes. Pares, no, no, vive tu vida.
no. She is fanning out. Love it. No, I didn't know. I didn't know. I can't wait to go to Rio. This was a very good part 3. This was a very good part 3. Dulce, 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 dulce. Oh, so that was part 3 to RBD live in Rio. I want to say thanks to everyone who gave me this recommendation, directed this video. I really do appreciate it. Really do appreciate it. I do enjoy watching them live. I don't know everything they're saying verbatim, but the songs, I do have an idea of the song they're singing to. So the English version, not the English version, but the translation, I keep up or try to read up with them to understand what the song is. But outside of speech and stuff like that they're saying, I don't really can't grasp what they're saying too much. But I really do enjoy this. This is very good. Like I said, when it comes to Rio, I don't know what the fans, they're over there, they're just excited to see artists come and sing, and they show up and show out in Rio. I've seen a lot of people who perform in Rio, and the energy is magnificent over there. So good job, RBD. Very good job. Not disappointed so far. This is part 3. I am very entertained, not bored. So let's clap for that. So thanks for that, and thanks to the one who commented and subscribing to my channel and giving me recommendations. I really do appreciate it. For everybody else, whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section, and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I really do appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.